Traffic is high, but conversions are low. You're missing this. Interactive content. Fix it now. Ever wondered how brands keep users hooked with meaningful self-discovery experiences people actually want to complete? In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create an interactive quiz, just like this "What's your stress coping style?" quiz inspired by Healthline. Here's how it works. Users answer a series of reflective, relatable questions like, you are stressed because when you feel stressed, what is your initial reaction? What's your favorite type of self-care? Which of the following contributes most to your daily stress? These questions feel personal and insightful, while subtly guiding users toward different coping styles. Now here's where the magic happens. The results. Based on their responses, users discover their stress management style. This kind of quiz doesn't just inform users, it makes them feel understood, and that emotional connection keeps them engaged till the very end. Now let me show you how to build this using Outgrow. Start with the Outgrow AI assistant. Simply ask it to generate a stress coping style quiz with 6 to 8 questions and multiple outcomes. Within seconds, it generates a ready-to-use quiz. But AI is just the starting point. Head to the Build tab. This is where you can edit every question to match your exact concept. Want to refine the tone or make questions more scenario-based? Just click and update them in seconds, like, how do you typically cope with stress? Or, when you're overwhelmed, what do you do first? Next, move to the outcome screen. This is where you create your stress coping styles. Add outcomes like the proactive problem solver or the anxious achiever, and write a meaningful description and recommendations for each. Once your outcomes are ready, map each answer option to the relevant outcomes so your quiz delivers personalized results. Then head to the Design tab to make everything visually appealing. Customize your logo, colors, and fonts so the quiz matches your brand perfectly. Once you're ready, click on Go Live. You can share your quiz via a link or embed it directly on your website. And that's it. That's how you turn a simple stress quiz into a highly engaging, personalized experience using Outgrow. Ready to build your own? Start creating quizzes that don't just engage but truly connect with your audience.